Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today, this might be my last iPad mini review I'll ever make. Not because the iPad mini 7 is bad, but honestly, it's the best mini Apple has ever made. But the rumors around iPhone Fold coming next year have me seriously thinking, could I replace both my iPhone and my iPad mini with one folding device? Today I'm gonna break down my full iPad mini 7 review, how it fits into my creator workflow in 2025, and how I use Akiflow, my time blocking plus AI productivity app, right on the mini, including a live integration demo like Gmail, Slack, Todoist, Notion, and command bar shortcuts, and why the iPhone Fold might actually make the mini unnecessary. Now, the Mini is still the king of pocket productivity.
The A17 Pro on the iPad mini 7 is smooth.
It's also lightweight and it fits on my shoulder bag during travel here in Japan. Now, as a YouTuber, I do a lot of planning, scripting, schedule checking, and reviewing analytics on the go. The iPad mini 7 is perfect for that. It's also great for reviewing thumbnails, editing short scripts, reading briefs, checking my YouTube analytics, and more. Taking notes during meetings, and catching up on messages without pulling out my laptop. But the real question is, can the iPhone Fold replace this entire workflow next year? Now, before I answer that, let me show you how I use something that's become a non-negotiable part of my setup, which is Akiflow. Now, I've been testing the Akiflow and it's super easy to use. You pretty much sign up, it has calendar integration, and I load tasks into the workspace. And this thing transforms how I plan my day on the mini. Now, Akiflow is basically my universal inbox, time blocking system, AI co-pilot, and workflow hub all in one. Instead of having tasks scattered around, Gmail, Slack, Notion, Todoist, Akiflow pulls it all in one place. And then it lets me drag and drop directly into my calendar. And all this I found perfect for the iPad mini 7. Now let me walk you through how I use it in real life. The first one is the universal inbox. Now on the mini, I open the Akiflow and boom, all my tasks from Gmail, Slack, Notion, Todoist appear right away. Now whenever I do anything for a brand, which sends me like deadlines or a Slack message from an editor, all that lands all in one place. So I don't miss anything. Now the second thing that I could do here is the time blocking. This is actually the best part. I just take any task and drag it straight to my calendar. On the iPad mini, this actually feels better than on the Mac because dragging with touch is so natural. Now the third thing is the command bar. I pretty much just swipe down and instantly access the command bar. You can jump to tasks, search, create time blocks instantly. It's so easy to use. The fourth one is the AI co-pilot. Now here is where AI learns your habits. For me, it knows usually that I script videos around 9 a.m., I edit around 1 p.m., and plan my next day at night. So it auto-suggests tasks to slot into my schedule. Now the fifth one is stats and productivity tracking. Basically, I can check how productive my week has been, how many tasks I've completed, how much time blocked. It keeps me accountable. And then the sixth one is the customizable rituals. I pretty much set rituals like review my inbox, plan the day, check pending tasks, review drafts, and sponsorships. Now together, the Akiflow and iPad mini 7 makes an insane combo. On travel days like now in Tokyo, I can plan my whole day while sitting in a cafe with just the mini. You don't need the laptop, you don't need a MacBook Pro or anything. Just this guy. This honestly feels like a pocket productivity assistant. Which leads us to the big question. Do I still need this if the iPhone Fold becomes real next year? Here's my honest take. If the iPhone Fold releases with a 7 to 8 inches inner display, if it's the same multitasking as the iPad, it has Apple Pencil support or a smaller pencil support of some sort, 120 Hz and extra cover display, then this iPad mini might actually become redundant. Imagine, I open my phone, unfold it, and boom, a full mini-size display. I could run Akiflow, script videos, check analytics, edit short videos, all from the same device. And once I close it up, it's great for a normal phone use, like scrolling on TikTok or Instagram or calling people and texting my family. My entire productivity workflow could collapse into one thing, and Akiflow would follow me seamlessly across it. I'm actually pretty excited to see the iPhone Fold, and definitely I would replace my iPhone and my iPad mini just to make it just one device. In 2025, the iPad mini 7 and the Akiflow is the best portable setup I've ever used. And quite honestly, I would recommend the iPad mini 7 if you travel a lot, if you journal, or plan with Apple Pencil. I absolutely love a compact device. Need a dedicated productivity screen as well. If you want Akiflow calendar views without opening your phone constantly, make content and need a side device to preview scripts, briefs, and analytics. Now, I would skip it if you think you'll switch to the Fold next year, and it's kind of too late. They might release a new iPad mini as well. So that's my full iPad mini 7 review and how I use it daily with the Akiflow. If you want to try Akiflow, I leave my custom link down below, so go ahead and check it out. It supports the channel if you get it from there. Now, I'll see you in the comments below as well if you're sticking with the iPad mini or you're waiting for the iPhone Fold like me. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!